On the first day of Christmas, Chaos and Caffeine gave to me a cup of coffee that wasn't what it claimed to be.
Because nothing teaches skepticism like bad data?
On the second day of Christmas, 2 trending charts.
One useful, one misleading. Guess which one management liked?
On the third day of Christmas, 3 motor myths.
It's balanced, it's new. Vibration didn't catch it. On the fourth day of Christmas,
4 failing components.
all unrelated, except they failed at the same time. On the fifth day of Christmas,
5 missed faces.
cause nobody thought we'd ever need that data again.
On the 6th day of Christmas, 6 spectra shifting.
Sidebands whispering secrets no one wanted to hear.
On the 7th day of Christmas, 7 amps are creeping.
Just enough to trip something eventually.
On the 8th day of Christmas, 8 tools are guessing.
All confident, all wrong.
On the 9th day of Christmas, 9 standard sighted.
None of them actually read.
On the 10th day of Christmas, 10 alarms alarming.
Most of them ignored until the outage.
On the 11th day of Christmas, 11A claims. Only 2 backed by physics. On the 12th day of Christmas, 12 months of lessons learned. Coffee was consumed, motors were diagnosed. Data told the truth.
And chaos
Was caffeinated.